Alright guys, we're doing a second harvest on our tomatoes. Oh, it's so cute.
Oh my, here's an actual orange one.
Yeah.
First orange one. Yeah, one's at the very back.
There's red here. Okay. There's two. And
I got the other one.
Okay, let's go to the other side.
Okay. Come on.
Okay.
Oh my god!
What?
There are ones that fell.
Yeah.
Well, here is one.
That's fine.
Look how much we're getting, Mom.
Right there, now kids.
Do we need another basket?
No, we still got a lot more space. Ooh.
Oh yeah, there's some inside here.
Yeah. It's so cute.
We should keep it there.
Yeah. Yes.
Should we keep the basket
Two
there?
more here. Yep. There any more from here? That's red. Nope. I think we all got it. It's alright. Because I don't want to get this.
Oh, Mom, there's more. Over there, Mom.
What?
Look. There's
Oh,
more.
yeah, I know. So, this is what we get from the spot.
Now let's go over here.
It's quite a little more.
Oh, yellow ones here.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
It's almost, I mean, it's already full.
It is full. Do you want me to grab another basket?